Hey everyone, I'm Jason. In today's video, we're going to unbox and set up the all-new Elite X2 by Magabox. So this is Magabox's brand new model. It's the Elite X2. So it does have 4 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of ROM, Ethernet, and supports Wi-Fi 6. Looks like it's got a voice control remote. It's an OTA, Android 12, and it's a 6K box. Let's open it up. Put the box aside for now. Alright, put that aside. Here we got a user manual, power cord, HDMI, an antenna, and the remote control. Check out this remote. Looks familiar. It does look like their other remote. I will put in the description how to program these buttons. Check out the box. Vent holes right there at the bottom. Just so you guys know, this does have quite a bit of weight to it. So it's their Elite X2. Digital display, more vent holes. So here's your antenna, your DC power, update. There's a little hole, I'm not sure what that is. There's your HDMI, your Ethernet, and optical. You got 1, 2, 3 USBs and the micro SD. Alright, so let's set it up and test it out. Box is booting up for the first time. So it loads right up, no programming necessary. Okay, so if you guys are familiar with the Magabox, they did change their interface a bit. Quite a bit of add-ons over here. So if you go all the way to the right, it gives you some more options. So there's the Play Store. Looks like YouTube's already installed. Here's the App Store. And once again, if you're familiar with the Magabox, here are their 4 main apps. So when you see this little symbol here, it means it needs an update. Just going to click on it so that we could do the update. There we go. Okay, so exit out of here. Let's go back to the home page. By the way, we also have the App Store right here. So if you click on it, and there you go. So there's the App Store and there's the Play Store. Exit out of here. So this is a Bluetooth remote. We got to program it or else the mic button won't work. So we have to head over to the gear. Let's go to Bluetooth, pair a new device. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to press the left and the right button at the same time. Okay, light starts to flash over here. And right over here, Bluetooth remote. Click on it. And now this is paired. And now we got it connected. So now the mic button should work. Let's test it out. Open Live TV. Okay, so the remote's working fine. All right, so I'm gonna pop in my USB. There it is. It just popped up on the top corner there. So let's go to Files. Here's my USB drive. Go all the way to the bottom. Okay, so this is a 6K box. We'll try the 8K, see if it can handle it, but let's make sure 4K works. So here's the first one. Allow. So far, not too bad. No buffering. It's pretty good. Nice picture. So let's exit out of here. Let's go to my other 4K one. Once again, not too bad. No buffering. Nice picture. Okay, exit out of here. We could try this, the 8K. Nope, does not support it. So you're going to get this message right away. So there you guys have it. So it's not too bad of a box. The remote works pretty well. It does support 4K. I don't have any 6K, see if that works, but definitely does not support 8K, as you guys could see. Anyhow, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys are interested in this box, I will have a link in the description where to get it. If you guys like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.